Some point we all attended a class, workshop, events, or another important functions. I can assume that most of these places had some sort of flyer or poster associated with the event. I'm going to show you how to use word features as we create a flyer like this one for a breast cancer awareness event. Let's begin by creating a flyer by inserting text. I can start by typing my title at my insertion point. Great cause, but the title doesn't really grab my attention. So I'm going to try something different by moving half of my text to another line. I can move my breast cancer awareness words by placing an insertion point in front of the B and pressing the Enter key on the keyboard. Now increasing the font size may help. The font size command is located next to the font style command, and the drop-down arrow will give us the list of sizes. As we scroll down, the live preview allows us to see what the different sizes will look like. I'm going to go with a larger font. Yeah, this looks better. Now it really places focus on the reason for the event. Changing the font style can also help. So I can click on the drop-down arrow beside the font styles command and choose from the list of fonts. This font is perfect. It's fancy, but not so fancy that it's a distraction. I'm going to change the size to 28 so that it fits my document. And now let's change the color of my text. I can click on the drop-down arrow that appears next to the font color and select from the color palette. I don't really see a color that I like, but that's not a problem. We can click on more colors and it gives me more colors to choose from. I like this pale pink. Just select it. We also have some other features like bold, italic, and underline commands. Let's see. I think we'll see how some of my text looks in bold. I just need to select the text and click on the bold icon. The italic and underline commands work the same way as the bold. I'm not sure if I like this option with this particular font, but it's not a problem. All I have to do is click the undo command on the quick access toolbar to go back to my original format. With this type of event, I'm not sure if I want my title to be all uppercase letters or upper and lowercase letters. Now I can use the change case command to preview my capitalization options. On the same row where we have bold, italic, and underline commands, there is a change case command. When I click this command, I can choose between sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. I think the second annual fundraiser will look good on all caps. So all I need to do is select the text, click on the drop-down arrow next to the change case, and then left click on uppercase. Yeah, this looks better. Now the places in your text can also add or take away from the message you're trying to convey. Word 2007 gives us a few options for positioning our text. I can choose to align my text to the left, center it, align it to the right, or justify so that it's aligned to the left and the right. I can do this by selecting my text and clicking on the alignment commands. In the paragraph group, you can see alignment commands. This one is align text to the left, center, right, and justify. Now, you don't really see a huge change with the justification unless you're working with a larger group of text like a paragraph or a short story. I'm going to center my text and see how it looks. Perfect.